Hello everyone, my name is Daniel from Client Cloud. I hope you have a successful day. Today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about how to manage the visual identity of your company. Here we have UGrow, a project that we will be trying to improve not only aesthetically but also technically. Okay, let's read a little bit of the content in order to contextualize ourselves. I've already read the content of the brief, so I already know what the company is about. What we're doing is seeing how this content is distributed. It's just a way of rearranging what's in our mind to have a creative idea to follow. Okay, the first thing that we have to keep in mind, the first thing that we have to take into account is the banner. Banner are very important. They are like the face of our company, of our website in internet. Actually, also if you have a store, banner or any advertising promotion sign you have, it's the first thing that your potential customer sees. So they are very important because of it's the first impression customers will have. One thing I can notice is the application form. The colors are very dark in relation to the text, which makes it difficult to read. The selection shading is a light green, which bears no relation to any noticeable color of the brand. We have to remember, guys, that everything we put into our project in our marketing tools, everything is branding. Everything is related to our branding. We must take into account every detail of it, typography, colors, etc. This part of the composition here, it's easy to be read, it's clear, it's well done. We have to take into account the images we use in our project. Images are part of the composition that creates a connection with our users, with our target. In visual communication, there is a subconscious effect given by the semiotic in the message. Photographs and other images make our users identify themselves. Therefore, we cannot block this subconscious communication. Photographs that express gestures, emotions, actions, etc. We must also avoid, by all means, placing any other brand close to ours. This could absorb all the work we have done on it. At this point, I'm referring to this popular fruit over here. So, and call your attention to the fact that we have the form covering the photograph placed on the banner. What we are going to try to do, guys, is to structure this content in a way that we can integrate the text and the image and try to make the whole composition look more aligned with the corporate identity. We will improve the semiotic message that's trying to drive the presentation, and we'll clean up the environment a little bit of the page by integrating everything into the branding. Okay guys, let's begin. Let's get to it. Okay, we're done. What we did was clean up a little bit the general look and feel of the identity on the website. We made 2 versions for sure. We removed any presence of others' brands. We let the images and symbols conjugate with the texts to carry the message. I hope this video has been useful for you and you have been able to get the most out of it. If you think this content is useful for you, if you have any question in the processes of creating your brand, questions about how to automate your sales processes, or boost your marketing ideas in general, don't hesitate to contact us. Do not forget leave us a like and subscribe.